How much should you actually spend on a blender and food processor combo? Some folks are happy with the cheap options, while others keep returning the pricier ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Ninja Foodie Power Blender System. Let's kick things off with the Ninja Foodie Power Blender System. Priced at $259.95, it caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want powerful performance for smoothies and food processing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. With a 1600 peak watt motor, it can crush ice and blend frozen fruits without stalling, which is crucial if you want that smooth texture in your smoothies. It has a massive 72-ounce pitcher and a nutrient extraction cup that lets you get the most vitamins from your fruits and veggies. Plus, the food processor attachments come with various discs for slicing and shredding, making meal prep a breeze. It's got 4.5 stars from around 4,000 reviews, so people are definitely satisfied with its performance. Now, some people complained about the noise level. It can be a bit loud when blending. Here's the thing though, if you're making smoothies in the morning, a little noise is probably a small price to pay for such power and versatility. This is perfect for you if you need a high-performance machine for both smoothies and food prep. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option, but honestly, it's a solid value for what you get. Now, if the price of the Ninja caught your attention but you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, the next option might surprise you. Product number 2, Hamilton Beach Blender and Food Processor Combo. Next up is the Hamilton Beach Blender and Food Processor Combo, retailing at just $79.99. This caught my attention because it packs a lot of functions into a compact design. If you're after versatility without breaking the bank, this one's worth considering. Here's why this product solves your problem. It features a 40-ounce glass blending jar and a 3-cup food chopper, allowing you to blend smoothies, chop veggies, and whip up salsas all in one device. The patented wave action system ensures that everything blends smoothly, which means no more chunky smoothies. It has 4.2 stars based on 4,700 reviews, and it's a huge hit for families looking for convenience. But honestly, for the price, it's impressive how much it can handle. If you're mostly blending soft fruits and preparing light meals, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile and affordable kitchen helper. Skip this one if you're a frequent user of tough ingredients like nuts or ice, but for smoothies and easy meals, it's a fantastic option. Alright, that was a solid choice. But if you want something even more compact without losing functionality, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your kitchen needs. Product number 3, SANGCON 5-in-1 Blender and Food Processor Combo. Now let's talk about the SANGCON 5-in-1 Blender and Food Processor Combo, which comes in at just $47.49. I was honestly surprised by how much functionality they packed into this little machine. If you're looking for something simple yet effective, take a close look. It features a stainless steel build and has safety features like overheating protection. With 350 watts of power, it's more than capable of making smoothies and chopping vegetables. The design is user-friendly, and all parts except the motor are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. It has a solid 4-star rating with about 2,600 reviews, which speaks to its reliability. Now, some users have mentioned that it can struggle with larger batches. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for 1 or 2, this is ideal. It's definitely not for meal prepping large quantities, but for everyday use, it's a great little kitchen assistant. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, all-in-one kitchen solution for smaller tasks. Skip this one if you typically cook for larger groups, but for those solo or couple meals, it's a steal. Next up, if you're interested in something with a bit more power and capacity, the next product will be right up your alley. Product number 4, Ninja Blend Pro Kitchen System. Moving on, we have the Ninja Blend Pro Kitchen System, priced at $139.98. This one really stands out with its performance and features. If you're after a powerful, reliable machine, you need to hear about this. Here's why this product solves your problem. It boasts a 1200-watt motor, which means it can handle everything from smoothies to purees with ease. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for family-sized servings, and it crushes ice to a snow-like consistency in seconds, which is a game-changer for frozen drinks. The built-in presets make it incredibly user-friendly even if you're not a pro in the kitchen. With 4.7 stars from 92,800 reviews, it's clear that people are loving this one. Now, some reviewers noted that the single-serve cup could be a bit tricky to clean. But honestly, if you're using it often, a quick rinse isn't too much to ask for all the convenience it provides. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful machine that can do it all for the family. Skip this one if you're looking for something super compact, but if you've got the counter space, it's a fantastic investment. Finally, if you're after something that's powerful but maybe a bit more compact, the next product has got you covered. Product number 5, Ninja Compact Kitchen System. Last but not least, we have the Ninja Compact Kitchen System, available for $129.99. What caught my attention here is the combination of power and compactness. If you're short on space but still want high performance, keep listening. Here's why this product solves your problem. It's equipped with a 1200-watt motor and includes a food processor bowl for versatile use. The three functions, blending, ice crushing, and food processing, make it a great all-rounder. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending, so you can just push a button and let it do its thing. With a stellar 4.8-star rating from about 8,200 reviews, it's clear this one delivers. Now, some users found the capacity a bit limited for larger batches. But here's the thing, if you're just cooking for yourself or a small family, the size is perfect and keeps things neat. This is perfect for you if you need a compact powerhouse for everyday use. Skip this one if you often prepare large quantities, but if you want a high-quality machine that doesn't take up much space, it's definitely worth the investment. So to wrap it up, we've seen the Ninja Foodie Power Blender for power and versatility, the Hamilton Beach Combo for budget-friendly convenience, the SANGCON for simplicity, the Ninja Blend Pro for performance, and the Ninja Compact for space-saving efficiency. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to what you need most in your kitchen. Happy blending!